Hello, students and parents. My name is Khushbu Jain. I'm an internationally certified trainer of Vedic Maths. I'm here to just tell you about a very limited technique, a very short technique of Vedic Maths. Basically, how Vedic Maths work. Many of parents asked the same questions that what is Vedic Maths? How does it work? What does it mean by? So basically, I'm here to explain you. So they asked that whether it will benefit my child or not. Will this eliminate maths fear of kids and make them competitive in maths? So basically, these are the common questions. So the what is the Vedic maths? What are the features, benefits, importance, applications, curriculum? So all these questions are basically goes in the parents and children mind. Basically, what are these benefits? It really works in our regular maths. And if works, so how? What are the advantages basically? So see, please just look at on the screen and I'm just telling you first how it works. So I'm just teach you a technique of how to square numbers ending with 5. How to square numbers very fast. We all know that squaring is a process of multiplying a number by itself. If I multiply 4, if I say 4 into 4, it will give 16. If I say 9 into 9, then 81. These are the smaller digits. What about the higher digits? How can we calculate the higher digits in a fast manner? So see guys, these are the very easy numbers. Now I show you how can square with complicated numbers. And there are many techniques in our Vedic maths in which we can see in different segments. When you will join the course, you will be able to understand that so many techniques that will able to understand you how it works, how give you benefits in your regular maths. So now in this segment, in this session, this is a trial session, a very limited application I'm just showing you. I'm going to teach you basically how can the square numbers, as I written over here, how can we square numbers ending with 5. So see, I'm just taking a first example for you. Like if I say 35 into 35. One more example I'm taking 75 into 75. So let's see how it works. If you will do as a regular maths, as a teacher, schools teaches, like in simple maths, we calculate like this, squaring number like this. See, 5 into 5, 5 into 5, and then 5 into 3. ठीक है? In the first, 5 into 5 that is 25. 5 threes are 15 plus 2 17. Then in the next step, 3 fives are 15. See, 3 fives are 15 and 1 will be carry over again and 3 threes are 9. See, 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. I will put 10 over here. So 5, 12, 1 will be carry over 2 and 1. This is the answer as we calculate in the regular maths. See how we calculate these questions, and I will show you some complicated digits also, higher digits also. We can calculate in a very quick manner and in just a one line. And you will be shocked to see. And as a regular maths, you can see so many steps over here. And you have to solve step by step, then you can get the answer in one line. But through this Vedic techniques, you can get the answer in a very quick manner and with accuracy, with speed. Everything is there. See how it does it work. See, as I said, just say you will multiply the next number of this like this. First of all, on the right hand side, you have to multiply those numbers, both of those numbers, 5 into 5. Always can keep it in your mind. Put 25 behind each answer. You can put 25 behind each answer, and half of the answer you can got it, but you can multiply it easily. You can multiply it. Simple. Always you can get the 25. So you can keep it in your mind. You can put without calculation 25. Just write it 25 behind each answer. Otherwise, you can calculate it 5 into 5. This is technique only squaring numbers ending with 5. Just make it sure. Okay, ending with 5. So now the next is what is the next number of 3 and what is the next number of 7? So the next number of 3 is 4 and the next number of 7 is 8. So what will I do? I will do 4 into 3 and 8 into 7. That's it. So I will write it here. 4 into 3 is 12 and 8 into 7 56. So 8 into 7 is 56. 3 into 4 is 12 and 25 you always put behind each answer. So see guys, 12,025. See, same. Okay, are both questions you got the in a very quick manner, and single question when you solve is as a regular math. So get take time. It takes time. See, I'm just giving you one more example of higher digit like this. If I say 105 into 105, see how quickly we get the answer in a one line. See what what the next step we will do. You can multiply it and put the answer 25 over here. And the next step is what is the next number of 10 is 11 and multiply 11 into 10. If you multiply 11 into 10, as you all know that 11 ones are 11 on multiplication, we will put 0 as it is. So 11 and 10. 11 and 10. So guys, this is the answer we got. In just a seconds. In just a seconds. You will be shocked to see. There are so many techniques. You can multiply any combination by any combination. Means you can multiply any number with any number. You will not think that this is the ending of 5, this is the ending of 7. No, you can multiply any number by any number. Vedic maths, basically, the method are also called short tricks, you can say, or some formulas that help us in faster calculations. Basically, Vedas, it means knowledge. Conventionally, we do math calculation as taught to us in the schools have a lot of steps. You can see over here. There are a lot of steps. Have a lot of steps that many times tend to slow us down. However, when is the time for school tests, exams, competitive exams, Olympiads, we generally get lesser time, as you all know that. So we have accuracy and speed of calculations, so it should help to score better marks. So Vedic maths teaches us to math sums with accuracy and speed, and Vedic system of calculations one can excellently increase the speed of solving maths problem. This is the Vedic maths I just want to show you just as a trial. All of you, you can make your mind towards Vedic maths, and Vedic maths is basically start from fourth standard. not below that. Because fourth standard child can easily know the basis of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, so can easily understand the techniques and verify their questions. In the exams when they solve their questions as a regular maths, so many steps are there, so you can easily in a just a second they can easily verify their questions. And there are one more technique in Vedic maths, a very short techniques, very less consuming time technique. You can easily verify your division, addition, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction questions in just a seconds through that techniques. That is called digit sum method. You can verify your any questions. So, guys, this is the Vedic maths. So, I'm just here to explain you. And I explained, I think, in a very good manner. And now I'm just winding up my class, and you can make your mind, and bye bye. Stay healthy.